Welcome to this tutorial video for the new Virtual Radionic Instrument VRI4. This tutorial will describe how to use the analysis mode in the Virtual Radionic Instrument. The analysis mode is targeted to help you with your dowsing routines and with documentation of your result. You find the Analysis button on the front panel in the lower mid. As a prerequisite to perform an analysis, you need to have the client's name or picture already uploaded into the instrument. This can be done by going to the ratebook and upload a picture. In the settings page, you will find a new entry where you can select the language in which the dowsing questions will be spoken. The options in the list are reflecting the possibilities of your computer system and will differ according to your installation. In the default template, the texts are English, so you may choose English language. If you upload your own templates in a different language, you should choose this language to get the text properly pronounced. Let's go back to the front panel and then to the analysis mode. On top right, you can choose the client for whom you perform the analysis. The name and picture of the client is displayed in the witness area of the chart. This area is connected to the internal dials, which are set in the analysis routine. You can see the internals by clicking on Interior. First step of analysis will be to select which topics you want to dowse for and create a dowsing list. To do so, you select a category, a topic from this category, and a question. With the button Add to List, you can add this topic to the list below. With using the entry All, you can select multiple or all topics. Before you start dowsing, you should properly set the keyboard and speech settings. On tablets, you can input your dowsing results by touching the screen on the chart according to your dowsing result. Because a virtual keyboard would take a lot of space on the screen, the keyboard setting on tablets should be off. With PCU, you may have the keyboard setting on 1, so you can use your keyboard for input your dowsing results. But you can also click on the chart. With the speech option on, the instrument will tell you what to dowse for, reading the question text. Let's select a few questions. You can delete a line in the list by using the red trash icon on the left. The right trash icon will only delete the dowsing result. With Start, we can begin with the dowsing routine. The dowsing task is displayed on the upper left side, and if text-to-speech is activated, the question text is read aloud. You can input your dowsing result by tapping on the screen with tablets, or by clicking on the screen or keyboard input with PC. With keyboard input, pressing Enter will continue to the next dowsing question. You can pause the dowsing routine with Pause. You can skip a dowsing question and go to the next with Skip. You see that your dowsing results are recorded in the list. After finishing the routine, you can download the result list and work offline with these data and use them for documentation or for design of new broadcasts. Instead of the built-in template, you can also upload your own templates to individualize your dowsing routines. You can download the internal template as a blueprint with the Download Template button. The template has 8 columns. The sorter is only for administration, but has no specific importance. The base column is indicating the which rate base is used and determines the dial setting in the instrument. Rates of base 10, 44, and 336 are possible. The rate column holds the rate itself. In category, you can structure your data. In Blueprint, I have used subtle anatomy, miasm, and so on. However, you can also cluster routines by other criteria. You may create a dowsing list for allergies, mental diseases, plant disease, or whatever you are occupied with. The topic is usually related to the rate you have used, and question determines for what you are dowsing. This may be degree of aberration, or health, or other. Both topic and question are displayed and spoken aloud in the dowsing routine. In Target column, you set which chart should be used for dowsing. The instrument holds 3 charts, 100 red and 100 green, which are 0 to 100% charts, which have different colors. A -100 chart, which is a -100% to +100% chart. According to the target settings, the distinct chart will be displayed in the dowsing routine. In the Result column, the results will be included when you download the results. For templates, this column should be empty. After you have compiled your list, you can store and upload this template to the instrument by using the Template Upload button. If you use the default template as blueprint, the file format should be kept. The VRI4 is expecting a comma-delimited text file. After upload of your personalized template, you will find the category, topic, and question columns changed to your settings. You can restore the default template by clicking on Reset Template. Please be reminded that when leaving the page back to home, the analysis list and all entries will be erased. Therefore, you should not leave the page in case you want to get the data stored. The template itself, also your personalized one, will however be stored internally, so you will have it again next time. I hope this mode will help you with your daily work. Please let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Please feel free to write me an email on your findings or on your thoughts about the VRI.